Welcome back, social media enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Facebook pages and showing you how to change the name of your page right from your PC. Whether you're rebranding or just looking for a fresh start, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already, and navigate to the Facebook page whose name you want to change. Once you're on your page, look for the Settings option in the top right corner. It's usually represented by a small downward arrow. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings and Privacy, and choose Settings. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Page Setup. This is where you'll find all the essential details about your page, including its name. Scroll down until you find the Name section. Next to your current page name, you'll see a View button. Click on it to begin the name changing process. Again, click on your page name. A new window will appear, allowing you to input your new page name. Keep in mind that Facebook has certain guidelines and restrictions for page names, so make sure your new name complies with their policies. Once you've entered your desired name, click on the Review Change button. Facebook will then prompt you to review your name change request and may ask for additional information to verify the change. After reviewing and confirming your name change request, click on the Request Change button. Facebook will then process your request, and you'll receive a notification once the change is approved. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated a name change for your Facebook page. Remember, it may take some time for Facebook to review and approve your request, so be patient. That wraps up today's tutorial on changing your Facebook page name on PC. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.